everybody, Jonecia here, and in this video I want to talk to you guys about how to gain more exposure on Facebook. And pretty much it's very simple. You want to make sure that, like I said in the previous videos, you're reaching out to people. Also, you want to make sure that you're connecting with those people and just pretty much showing them love on your page. You get those notifications for, birthdays. What I like to do is shout outs. I like to shout people out on their birthday, letting them know, hey, happy birthday, enjoy your day. Not only just to be friendly, but also, like I said, you're going to get more exposure. Did you know that when you know, tag those people to your post or even just send them a happy birthday message, that it's going to link back to you, that your posts are going to now be in their news feed. So you want to make sure that you're reaching out to those people, shouting them out. Also, you want to make sure that when you're posting on your Facebook profile, that you're not just spamming links, that you're providing value. And a thing that I like to do is call a celebration post. And a celebration post is when I have a new team member added to the group or added on my team. I like to send a shout out message as well. But I call it a celebration post, in which I simply, just tag that person to a picture, tag their name, and pretty much just say congratulations to the person, for crushing that residual income daily with our simple speed wealth system. I also like to include, if anybody would like to know how we're having people, to crush it the way they are within our business, go ahead and like and comment. And once people like and comment, you want to make sure that you're not ignoring them. You want to reach out to them. If they like and comment, go ahead and send them a message and just say, hey, I don't know if you're interested in a second source of income, or pretty much if you're interested in, income at all, but I have this really awesome, piece of information that I would like for you to check out. Would you be able to, check it out? And if they respond yes, go ahead and send them your video. Don't just send them a link. Make sure you send them a video that pretty much self-explains itself. And, you guys might even make a connection. But make sure that you're reaching out to these people. Don't ignore these people because they're watching. You have an audience. You have viewers on a daily basis that are watching every single thing that you are doing. They may not come to you personally. They may not comment or like, which doesn't matter, as long as they're watching, because eventually those watchers will turn into buyers. So you want to make sure that you're doing this on a daily basis and being consistent. Also, you want to make sure that you're not just, posting your accomplishments, but you're also giving value, like I said before. That includes any type of videos, just as the one I'm doing now, inspirational posts or quotes. Also, you want to make sure that you're leveraging your teammates' accomplishments as well. Put it out there. Let people know that you are not the only one making money. Let them know that there's other people in the same opportunity that you are that are making tons of money as well. You also want to make sure that you're posting lifestyle pictures. Like I said, that's going to be more exposure for you. You're going to get lots of likes and comments, and people are going to wonder and want to know what it is that you're doing. So make sure that you're simply making a connection, putting value out there, not just spamming your links, reaching out to people on a daily basis, coming up with a daily plan of action. You want to make sure that you're sending out messages daily. You want to make sure that you're posting on your Facebook profile daily. And I recommend that you post at least, 6 to 10 times a day if you can, different things a day. I like to send a good morning, a good afternoon, and a good night post. I also send two, funny pictures or quotes. I like to send my inspirational quote or inspirational pictures. I also put up, pictures of myself, which I said were the lifestyle pictures. You want to make sure that you're putting it out there that you're not just a person, a boring person rather, that sits behind a computer screen all day. If you're going to live the lifestyle, make sure you're portraying the image of you living the lifestyle. Doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing, take pictures, guys. Take pictures. Let people know that this is what you're accomplishing day to day. This is the reason why you are working from home, because you're able to. You can do that. You have that freedom. So make sure that you're, getting as much exposure as you can on a day-to-day basis. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Until then, bye guys. See you in the next video.